In this video, we're going to compare the trading experience for two different types of traders. One of them uses a mouse, the other one uses Keyboard Trader. Each trader will have to perform two simple tasks. One is to cancel their open sell orders, and two is to switch to a long position as quickly as possible and at the best price as possible. As you'll see, the Keyboard Trader user is able to accomplish both of these tasks with one key. Meanwhile, the mouse trader performs each of these tasks separately and misses the move. The difference is that the Keyboard Trader user is able to watch market data, make his decision about where he wants to place his order, and execute it all in real time, almost essentially at the same moment. Meanwhile, the mouse trader is so focused on the mouse pointer that he stumbles and delays. He has a hard time keeping up.